You can start making money with ChatGPT without writing a single line of code. This isn't a someday thing, it's happening now. Stick around, I'll tell you all about it. Hey everyone, it's Ash. We all have been chatting with ChatGPT for quite a while. But what if I told you that you could create your own personalized ChatGPT and monetize it? Well, OpenAI just made that possible. ChatGPT has been the buzz, and now OpenAI's latest move lets you craft a ChatGPT that's tuned into your passions or expertise, whether it's a cooking assistant teaching some skill or DIY craft bot. So here's the scoop. Starting from this week, if you're subscribed to ChatGPT Plus, you're in. You'll get the chance to build your very own ChatGPT. Just imagine this. Your ChatGPT sharing fitness tips or offering music lessons, all based on information ChatGPT has, and even the ones you can provide to it. And here where it gets even better. Once you fine-tune your ChatGPT, you can list it on OpenAI's marketplace. That's right, your creation could start earning for you. If your thought of creating and earning with your own AI excites you, let's make it count. Hit that like button to support the channel. This is more than a side hustle. It's a leap into the future of personalized tech. The challenge is making your ChatGPT stand out, but the opportunity is massive. And I'll be here to guide you with tips on making your AI as unique as your idea. Want to stay ahead of the curve? Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. You won't want to miss out on this. What's your vision for custom ChatGPT? Start brainstorming because OpenAI is about to give you the tools to bring it to life. And if you've got questions or need a sounding board, drop a comment below. Before you head out, remember to subscribe and like this video. It helps more than you can imagine. Keep creating. This is Ash signing off.